Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to delete your resume from Indeed. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is, of course, head to a browser and visit indeed.com. After that, you have to log into your account, and then from the top right corner of your screen, you find your profile icon. Click on that and select profile. Alright, so once you do that, from here you just have to scroll down a little bit and you'll find your resume right here. So if you want to remove or delete this from your account, all you have to do is to just tap on it. After that, you're going to find these three dots right here at the top. Click on that, and from here you get this option to delete. Alright, so just go ahead and click on delete, and you are going to remove your resume from your profile on Indeed. So guys, that's how to do it. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.